Okay, gonna do a quick review on Family Dollar's Family Chef Grilling Tongs. Stainless steel tongs. I got these for $1 at Family Dollar nearby the house. Okay. Here's what they look like. They're probably about 8 inches long. They're probably about 8 inches long. They got the little clipper that keeps them closed, or you can put them in your door if you want to keep them in your drawer, or you can hang them up. They take up less space. Squeeze it, and that opens them up. There's a little thing that slide down the bottom. You can open them up and use them. Grab it. They're pretty good to use on the grill. Grab what your chicken, beef, pork, whatever you're cooking on the grill. Flip it over, or take it off the grill. Yeah, put in space wherever you don't have to worry about burning your hands doing that. Open up plenty wide enough to grab whatever you got on the grill. I used these, we used them last summer. We were cooking out on the grill. They're pretty good. These are washed. I don't know if they're dishwasher. They're probably dishwasher safe. It says otherwise. Or you can just wash them by hand in the sink. Pretty nice little grilling tongs. Like I said, yep. Putting room here to grab hold of your food. Flip it over on the grill. Whatever you're cooking on your grill. This is the Family Dollar's Family Chef's grilling stainless steel tongs. Cost $1. You can find them at their nearest Family Dollar store to your house, or wherever you work at.